There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Recording in progress, okay. My bad, guys. So yeah, Luca here said that he had like a really bad day yesterday, but you need to understand that your brain doesn't work like algorithms. So that's why Panther in 10-year time, it will outperform me, but in 1 year time, I outperform Panther. The answer is simple, because I have only like 10 or 20 good decisions per day. All the rest are shit. That's why as people, we are working like 95% is subliminal. So like 95% is our programs, our automatic. You have 5% of your decision per day. So that's why when you take the 10th trade of the day, it's probably the worst trade ever, because you're tired, because you don't have any more, how to say it, good ideas. If you don't believe, you don't believe me, just try it for yourself. You will see. That's why we don't trade. I mean, if we trade, that's why we have our time limit, or trade limit, or money limit, or loss limit, everything. Okay, so for everyone that's watching recording, we are watching, currently we have price trapped inside, so we are watching for breakout until we have, so from here we are buying, from here below we are selling, and the same stuff is happening here on the GBA, but this one is breaking out, so I think here we will have a nice buy opportunity, so above this. Ask how to draw right resistance and support lines. Like I said, you have most like yesterday in babypips.com, but it's simple. So what is the resistance? Resistance is the zone. The zone is the price, where it's the space where the price bounced or had some problems coming through. So meaning you need to find where the price had problems, right? So let's do something like this. So let's say this could be a candles, and something like that. So, and here you can see that price had problem. Okay, this is the red one, this is the green one, and the price came and it had problem and it bounced back. So yeah, that's it. That's what you're looking for. I'm not using the typical support resistance because on 15 minutes, I just want to see the ranges. The range is from turn to turn. So yeah, for sell, I'm looking these ones, and for buys, I'm looking these ones. So yeah, this is basically it. But guys, it's okay to ask questions about basic. But if you're not willing to work on the babypips.com and let's sit there to their material, which is very good, very useful, then I don't know why I would spend time explaining this to you. Like, I mean, sure, I can explain, I can show you how and why, but the most important stuff is that you do this, that you know it, because from experience you will learn the most, especially about drawing the chart. Okay. So if I were you on your end and I would want to taught myself this, I would take a chart and look at my chart and draw the same thing. And I would do that until you can go 5 minutes before your stream. You can draw yourself an analysis and you see I have the same analysis as you. When you can see that, you understand how to draw analysis, and then just applying everything. So yeah, well, nothing personal, just this is not the basic, I don't teach basic here, I cannot them, because if I'm spending so much on basic, then what's the point of making money, right? I would just go over the basic over and over and over again, and I do, but not in like specifically every time, every day. But this is all the basics. So this trading is like the most basic one. Maybe the entries are something special and some insurance, but the rest is basic. Yeah, all good. No problem. No problem. Just Luca knows. Luca, what do you need to master if you want to be a good trader? Let's see if you remember. What do you think, guys? What do you think you need to master to be a good trader? Or what do you think you need to master if you want to be a good cook or electrician or driver? So let's go. Let's ask our chat, our community. What do you need to master to be a master? Cooking, driving, math, everywhere. So what do you need to master to become a master in cooking, trading, driving, math, and so on. So Lucas said psychology. Yeah, psychology is the problem, but this is not what you need to master. Experience by Nico. Experience helps you, but you don't need to master experience. You just need to keep showing up. Belimred said the strategy. No, you don't need to master the strategy. I mean, the strategy, yeah, you need to master the strategy, but so we're talking about, let's say, everything. So like, do you have strategy in cooking? Do you have strategy in driving? Do you have strategy in math? Yeah, stuff like that. So discipline from Sanya. Do you need to have discipline in cooking, trading, driving, math? It applies to all of this. So what do you need to master? Look, I said this a lot to you. You need to master. What do you need to master if you want to be a good driver, if you want to be good at math? This is like, this will help you the most, and it applies everywhere in life. Yes. Yes. Bellerim said behavior, yeah, attitude. It's important, that's right. But Luca is right. So he said osnove, this means basic. You need to master the basics. If you don't know how the clutch works, if you don't know how the car, the right rule, or when the stop sign says stop, or how to brake, if you don't master the basic, you're nothing. You cannot be the master. Master the basics, always, always. Master the basics. Basics are everything, okay? If someone is gonna watch some Kung Fu movies from Bruce Lee, stuff like that, why was Bruce Lee so powerful? Because he mastered the basic punches, like very basic punches. All the others like knew this punch, this punch, this punch, this punch, and some people, strategists or traders, know this strategy, this and this and this. But every time we come back to the basic, each strategy can be upgraded if you add more basic in it. Always. You need to master the basic. Master the basic in cooking. So that you need to follow the recipe, that you need to wash your cans, stuff like that. This will always help you. How to cut, I don't know. So yeah. Master the basic. How to master psychology. It's easier than it seems, but psychology. Okay, let's see. I have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Master psychology. Okay. You want to master psychology. If you want to master psychology, then first thing, probably the first thing everyone should do, in my opinion, I did that, it helped a lot, is go to your parents and fix that that relationship. fix the possibility that they don't like you, that you did something wrong and they're angry, you're angry, because 90% of the problems in your life are from your childhood memories with your parents. And until you heal this, you have always problem in Forex, always problem in life, everywhere you go. That's why I like Forex, because Forex is like, yeah, you master the basics like really quickly, but if you do not take care of your psychology, like Sanya asked, it's a great question, really great question, you're fucked. Because your belief system works with you. So like I said, 95% of your thinking, of your action is automatic. Okay? So you cannot control that. But where did this automation or program came from? From your childhood, traumas, memories. You know, that's why we have hobbies, right? We have hobbies because, or nostalgia, stuff like that. So you have hobbies because when you were a kid, you did it and you enjoyed it, and then you forgot. Why did you enjoy it? You didn't enjoy the stuff. You enjoyed your time, your experience, your experiencing yourself, progress. And that's what Forex is. You need to be your own psychologist. Yak said, you can learn to control and change. Yeah, but you don't need to control your emotions. This is for me, this is not an option. This is great, okay. Okay, pull back here, close above, and pull back inside. And we go. So get ready for buy. Oh. Okay, yeah, I need push here. I need 1 minute to push here. Then you can place pending order for buy. So I would like it to come at least 2 pips. Did it go? 1 pip. 1 pip only. No, didn't touch. Didn't touch. Why I didn't touch? Why I didn't touch? You need to touch. Okay, so I want this candle to go inside. Then we can place our order and we go. But I think we will not have this opportunity yet. So yeah. Yak said, by control, I mean the impulse that habit give you just absurd attraction. Yeah, you need to start understanding yourself. You need to start understanding why are you like this? What are you doing wrong every day? What are you doing right every day? Stuff like this. Why are something why is something triggering you? Why are you triggered like that? Why the traffic triggers you? Does it trigger you because you need to wait? Or because, let's say, your father or mother yelled at some car because you waited? Because your father or mother was nervous in car while you waited. Right? You need to understand that. When you can understand that, you can be a good trader. Until then, you cannot be a bad trader, but still. Damn, if this one would make just like 2 more pips inside, that would be perfect. Or maybe 1 pip, 1 pip. Yeah, damn, this would be nice. Nice take profit. That's okay. So yeah, that's why, and I'm talking this to people all the time, but I mean, a lot of people are listening. More of them are doing nothing. So yeah, too small week. And the closure was not pretty. So if this one would close here and then a week back, that would be great. But sadly, not really pretty. and 10 pips. Yeah. It's okay. Another entry. Another, if we get another closure above, we are golden. Yeah, that's what we're making. That's what we are waiting. So today is Thursday. Thursday usually volume in Thursday is a little weird. So we need to be careful. We are not entering here in no way, even if it does this, because we are waiting for next candle. So now we know. But yeah, psychology. I mean, psychology is like, it's the most important part, but if you don't have the basic, you cannot get to psychology. So you can deal with psychology when you're like, okay, I knew. So let's take this trade. Yeah. Let's say I would entry sell here. And I would be like, I entry sell here, stop loss hit, and I'm angry now. I'm angry at myself. And I'm going over this now. I come back to the chart and calm down, and I go over this and I say, but everything was pointing that this was a buy. Why did I take a sell? And when you will ask yourself this, you will start to fix yourself. You will start to find what the problem is, where the problem is. So yeah, shame we didn't get nice entry here. I'm a little bit sad. It's okay. Like 1 pip. Damn, bro, give me like 2. If this one would hit like here, then the nice pull up, 12 pips, maybe 15. Okay. So yeah, psychology. Psychology. The pleasure of every man and woman. It's a pain, you know. It's not like something mystical. It's going over all your traumas in the memories, everything you had in your childhood. You want to be a good trader, then you need to do this. Analysis. Tale, this one. You had close above. Close above. Week back. Why not entry here? Stop loss on the week. Take profit here. Why did you entry on this one? Why not entry here below on the open? So this is this, yeah. Okay. We have zone here. Zone here. Close above. Wait for a week back. Buy entry here. 11 pips stop loss. And take profit here. Don't know why would you. If you could not enter here, you could still enter here. Week back. Take profit. That's what I would do, but I'm more careful now because if the volume is not here to touch this, then I don't trust it. So yeah, I mean, yeah, now we lost like maybe good trade, but there's a lot of good trades out there. So no worries. Any more questions about psychology? Yeah. One trade missed. But this closure was not pretty. This is like, so you know my rules. This closure must be what? 1 pip above. And then it will be closed like this, and it looked pretty. And then we would have like 2 or 3 weeks, 2 pips week back. And then we would entry. But this was like really lucky. Lucky, 20 pip trades, nice. Sanya asked, how to work on bad emotions when our trading plan is not going as we planned? You tell me. Look, so until today, I was in minus. I'm still in little minus, okay? But like I started week great, then I had only minuses or shitty trades or everything, yeah? So like I had like 2% minus. You just keep going. You have to keep going. So you try to distract yourself, you know, I don't know, you go for a walk. The walk is the best tool you can use to get your heads right. Oh, Nico, it's going down. If this one closes like this, it's probably going down. So yeah, stuff like that. Walks, meditation, writing it on the paper. You can write all your emotion on the paper and you will feel better. Find your way. I mean, for everyone is different and for every emotion is different. Like, if you're an angry person, go scream. Scream, trash something. And in time, you will find out that this doesn't help you at all, but it's a good start. It's a good start. Okay, I'll be waiting here for another entry. I mean, no quitting. On the long run, no. In that day, probably yeah. So I have the rule that I cannot lose more than 2% per day. So if I lose more than 2% per day, it's instant. How to say it? Crveni karton, znaš, kao footballer. So like red karton, and I'm out. No more trading for this day. If I must trade, I go on demo, but in time you lose interest for that too. So yeah, no more trading, nothing. I lost 2%, that's okay. I'm only human. That's it, you move on. You start slow. What if more days in a row like that? Nothing, keep going. Then, okay. So then you need to, after every losing trade, that's why the losing trade are the better than winning ones. After every losing trade, you need to ask yourself, how could I enter here? How could I not lose money here? After every trade, there is improvement. Okay. So when the market is choppy, it's the greatest stuff for improvement, the greatest. Because when the market is perfect, you can make many mistakes and the strategy works. But when the market is choppy, like this, you need to improve. You need to get better. So even if it's more days like this, if you are following your rules and the trading plan it's not working, just decide when will be enough for you to change something. But I think that every strategy works if the person works. Nice move, 20 pips. Goddamn. Would be nice, but it wasn't perfect. Wasn't great. I mean, I would deal with the closure if this one would go like really low. But no, it had to fly. And we are not even New York yet. And if I see correctly, no news either. Yeah. Euro GBP. I used to trade Euro GBP all the time. Now I just don't like it. So yeah, Sanya, you need to, it's like a diet, I guess. So first few days it's hard, you see no results, and it's getting harder and harder, and you get tired because your body is not used to, let's say, less calorie, and then later on it starts bringing out the toxin, that's the fat that is there stored in the fat. So you're not really the shiny person you usually were. But if you keep going, you will see some results, and when the results come, it will be all worth it. Yeah. Let's see what we can give me. Still the same spot, still the same spot. So maybe here, but I don't trust this one. But I don't trust it. So this is no go for me. This is not enough for me. Also, we have left what? 18 pips. Have anything better? This one looks okay. Okay, one failed. What about the second one? Pips. Okay. Okay. Nope. This one is not good. This one is not good. It will probably fill the zone, but still. This one is not really the best option, so let's go for this one. Maybe. We will wait and we will see. And when we see, we'll say, aha, got it now. See. So this is our closure. Yeah, this is closed. Yeah. So currently this one is looking better. So AUD JPY is looking better for buys for me, even though the daily is lower. Okay, that's okay. So yeah. Just wait some more. I want to see one green 1 minute candle closer. And yeah, this one, that's why we didn't enter here. That's why we didn't enter. For pips. And then back to drawdown. So yeah, this is what now? 6 pips. Okay. I'm putting pending order. This one. So buy stop. Buy stop here. Pending order, let's see. It covers nicely. And here, yeah, see. Okay, do not be too jumpy. Don't be too jumpy. 6. This would be better if it touched something like this. Okay. Okay, maybe another pending order. We'll see. This one is not perfect, so that's why I don't like it. This one is pretty good, but I'm thinking about putting entry here also. So let me just see if we can get. Okay, let's wait for this 5 minutes to close, and then we'll probably put entry also on the GBP/GPY. Maybe we will delete both. Maybe we'll take both. We will see. Okay. Not great, not bad. Don't know what to make of this, so I'm gonna wait. This one is still looking fine. Yeah, maybe you could jump here. But I wanted this one to get a little bit lower. So yeah, this would be like 8 pips. Would be nice. So we're keeping this one. This one looks okay. So it's 13 pips. This one is prettier. Interesting. So we still wouldn't have take profit here, as I can see it. You see, 8 pips, no take profit. So that's why. I mean, I know it can still push up, but I still would like to see touch on this one before we move up. So if this 15 minutes can close something like this, like bearish, and spike down, and then another close above, that would be it for me. That would be great. Yeah. Good. So as you can see, this is not good. You have movement up, now consolidation, meaning that we'll probably close like this. So that's why we didn't. That's why I didn't want to enter. Yeah. There you have it. We could enter here. We wouldn't get our take profit and would be like 6 picks in drawdown. That's why I went and improved this strategy, because this would be legit entry. But that's why you need to improve also all the time. And now we have, like, if you see this, I have now push up, down, down, equal high, lower low. So now you can see this. So yeah. That's why we try to be careful. Okay. Okay. Yep, this looks better now. So this could still be our entry. I'll just wait for closure here. But if this one passes this, then could be, yeah, out the. So this pair, it doesn't, it's no go then. But if this one can reverse, then we go on entry. We will place order then. But on 5 minutes, it doesn't look good. So I don't want to rush here, because here we have great opportunity and I like this trade, and why force it? So we had one move on GPY. This was this, which we could not enter. Why force another one when maybe we can get a better entry? So yeah. Okay. Now this one looks better. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see. But I will not enter in this one. I will wait for closure, then we will decide if we miss the trade or the next candle could do it. But like right now we had great rejection here. This was not so great, but this one was great. But we still had a big push down, so that's what I'm afraid of, that this still can happen, because this is now downtrend flag, or maybe a bull flag, yes, but we are not sure. But this one looks great. This one still looks great. So what do you want? Great trade or something something? Because this is something something. Yeah. See, there you go. That's why I'm glad I was right. I'm glad I was right. Okay. Let's wait now for this one. This one could also make another one here. Maybe even here. Yeah. Yeah, let's keep this one. Keep this one ready. And let's wait for our trigger. Yeah, something like that. Maybe we'll not get it, but maybe next time. There you go. You see? You see? That's I wanted to push below before here, but we didn't get it. So now, there you go. One loss less, meaning we profit. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. One more minute and a half. Or 50. 1 minute 50. until the candle closes and the New York opens, and no more. Not yet. New York opens in 50 minutes. Next 50 minutes, guys. One minute. Another question for me. Okay. Yeah. In time, learn to read it, but the source is on 1 minute. There you go. That's why we didn't enter this one. That's why we don't enter this one. I didn't enter this one. This is the main stuff. Why we did what we did. That's why sometimes losing a trade, losing the position is better than to be in a trade. You know, missing a trade is still better than being in trade. So yeah, let's see the next one. I'll move this out the way now. We get the closure. If we get lower, if this moves now lower than this, it's game over for us. But if it pushes above, it's a win-win. It's a win-win-win. Tyle, zobaczam się tego znaleźć. So yeah, pending order, waiting to activation, stop loss 8 pip. Can you recommend some page to learn about money risk management? What specifically are you looking for, Sanya? So management as in Forex or anything else? Managing money in Forex. I think Baby Pips should cover this. Did you watch the site? Did you open the site yesterday? Babypips.com? What did you find? Because as much as I know, maybe I'm mistaken, so I want to check. But basic for now, of course. You have trading system. Yeah, this is like just give me a second. I think it was here. I just forgot. It was so long. Preschool. Margin accounts. Yeah. Yeah, and we are getting this. My broker put me in the trade. So yeah, I don't know why it is so different. Okay, but yeah, so far my broker put me in the trade. I'm in the trade. We will see. So I don't know why still here we don't have entry. Oh, now we'll have. And why future. Okay, we're in. Now everybody should be in trade. Let's go. AJ, bye. Oh, yes. Wait. Okay, so stop loss is 8 pips or 7 pips, 20 pips take profit. Time 13:45. This is the candle. Range, yes. Close, yes. Week back, yes. 4 hour, yes. Daily, yes. 0.7. We will see 2.5, maybe more. I think it's a little more. Yeah, 1 minute is looking great. 1 minute looking great. So which one? Then 1, 2. Okay, so this is our bottom for now. Okay. So did that. Let's see and wait. 2.86. 2.8. Okay. My setup needs some work. Okay. 5 minute closed bullish, so that's good. Closed above. 20. Twice set people. Focus on the PC. Alibaba. Tulega. Papa will couple pre. And then we will see what. So this is a trade. This is the take profit, what we are waiting for. And then we will see if this or something better plays out. So I want to put my info right now inside. So my entry price is 145. Yeah, it's the same. 3, 4, 5, and 0, 5. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, so far we are in drawdown, but the 1 minute is staying clean. So far nothing to worry about. Yeah, this one is for now. Like I said, so far nothing to worry about. So far it's all good. Maybe a little slower, but it's okay. If it's stop loss, it's stop loss. We know how it is. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. Right? Okay. Okay. And this is not good right now. So yeah, probably if this one breaks below here, no, I will have 7 pips. If it hits, it hits. So yeah, if 7 pips hits, no, nothing you can do. Because the strategy stands, so we got a nice entry. Maybe we were baited, but I don't think so. See, let's wait. Let's wait for a loss or a win. The market is still choppy, still not giving us clear entries. Like this, you see, that's the thing. This could be better entry, could give us better entry, but this one was before. Yeah. We didn't enter. Why didn't enter here? Daily. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my stop loss hit. My stop loss got hit. So, yeah. Yeah, we could probably enter here. Didn't show that one. So loss. I have really bad luck in New York. Like in London, I almost hit everything, but here, almost nothing. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so sadly, unlucky. It happens, I guess. Maybe sometimes then we can move stop loss back here, so we could get even smaller loss. But this is all we could do. This is all we could do. That's why we usually, back then, we didn't train those, but in the past week, this worked just fine. So let's find another one. So 1245. Yeah, don't know. Yeah, below daily. Shame this one didn't close. Or how much was 16 pips? Yeah. Potentially this would be our trade. Okay. Pending lost. This is the losing. This was the losing trade. Lost minus 7 pips. I was hoping we're gonna recover. Okay, let's wait for New York. For New York to open, and then we will see. Still still too bad we didn't have nice speaker here because we would be inside. Yeah, võitis sama. Võitis teikin on põtuk jõub. No, ei pääse myśleć lepiej. No, see teed. Jah. Õnnegi. What could New York do? Did news push it down? Could be. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. I'm a little angry. I'm not angry, but just like we had like here nice pulsation, yeah. So nice 1, 2, 3, and we broke every highs and then just like so yeah, I believe that was the news. Maybe yes, maybe no, but it seems like it. Oopsie. Okay, this one can go back. Bye bye. I mean, at least we saved one more loss here. So, so we could be like 16 pips in minus a day, but we're only 7. So that's something. Always look for the positive thing. One more minute, 5 seconds. Sorry. Need to open. Good. Okay, guys. Also, let me tell you for the Friday, I don't think I will have a session because I'm going to Belgrade. So that is that. For their event, I'm flying in morning. So anybody being there, contact me on Telegram. We can go for a lunch or coffee, something like that. So yeah, that's mostly it. It's mostly it. Hard week even for Panther, I see. Struggles a lot, so there will probably be big movement next week. Thank you, Sanya. Well, I'm doing event for the AP, so talking with Serbians and anybody who come, why they should take Panther. But the people who join AP are mostly like, I mean, from some people are great. Like I build up great relationships with Panther users, but the most are like really on the hype and making money quickly, stuff like that. But this is Forex. This is like a job, you know. You need to take it seriously. This is not like a roulette, adrenaline in the vein, stuff like that. It doesn't work here, especially not on the long run. Yeah. But yeah, we'll go for some walks. So in Saturday, I'm flying there in Monday. So I'm meeting the head of the company, some leaders. Yak, are you here? Yak, when you and your people come? When does you and your people come, Yak? Yak. Okay. No, not here. Not yet. Okay. Okay. Good. Sorry. Yak, are you here? Poke. Can I poke him? Chat. Poke. Yak. Don't know if he hears me or not, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, interesting. The market opens and the first thing you do is pick back. So he made nice wick back, but I don't like this rejection from the daily. I mean, daily is a little bit lower, but yeah, still. So daily is here, yeah. Trading view. This one could do this, you know. This one could do this, stuff like that, and then up, and then back down, like this. It means it will take all over range, and nothing will be there to trade. We close below the support, so that would, yeah, no. What about you? Oh. Now we're getting guessed, yeah, against the 4 hour. Ah, yeah. Okay. Now go. Then we wait for this price to get in a position where we can trade it. Where we can trade it.
Power starter.
Ads. Okay. We're waiting. We are not, didn't have any more any entries for now. I was thinking about selling this, but we go against 4 hour. So I don't like that because this one will close in a few minutes. But yeah, we're trying to play it safe. Maybe we could avoid this one, but it had no wicks, so I was hoping for the best. Sue me. Maybe. I don't know. Can you sue me? I don't know. For this? I don't think so. This is just educational purposes only. You can only trade on demo account. I'm not responsible for your account. Something like that. Sanya. Sanya Juranic, what's your opinion on other software in AP? Sanya, I will tell you something honestly. I would love to give you that opinion, but I know I shouldn't. So I can give you in the private, maybe, I don't know, but it's not right. So everyone watching this chat deserve to have a chance to test it, all the products for themselves. And I know the some developer put in a lot of time, some didn't. So yeah, I'm not shaming anyone because Panther had like bad start, and it's great product, at least for me. So yeah, in my eyes, because we tested so many times, we did so much improvement, and we'll keep improving it. So like every 6 months will be like 100% improvement, maybe on the lower drawdown, higher profit, whatever it takes. So no matter how many times market changes, we will still have edge. That's what's important for me. So the same stuff I believe people are doing on the other softwares. They're doing their best, the best you can, the best they can. But if I was I got the answer, your action set setting. Zania, I have a feeling we could be friends in real life. So yeah. Definitely, yeah. Sure. Why not? Let's do it right now. No, easy. No, it's look, do what you must, right? Try if you think that something is better than Panther, you're clearly not wrong. Because it's your opinion, your experience. But if I was, so this is my opinion and my opinion only, if I was AP affiliate and I was doing MLM, I did IML affiliate, and I was really good there. But the problem in IML was for me that I didn't have the product that would keep my clients in. But here you have it. And if I would build like AP, I would go with Panther and maybe red flag, green flag. As I found out, they work okay if you know how to trade. And with the educators, I think you can do great. So this is how I would go and build community around it. That's why I'm giving you this trading room, even though this month is like, yeah, perfect. I have 3 months and the market is like crap. So yeah, maybe that's a sign from the universe. No, I'm joking. But yeah, this is something like that. So don't know, don't want to tell too much because I don't. I mean, I'm not afraid that I will get in trouble. So I just think that if I give my opinion, I need to stand behind it, and don't want to bother. I mean, I don't want to, just like some products are great for specific markets. Some products are not great for specific markets. Don't know what else to say. But yeah, I think that AP as an idea, as a company has great potential. But potentially sometimes is not enough. It's like a talent, You can have a big talent, but if you're not using it, if you're not putting to work, if you're not doing the right thing long enough, it'll never click. always honesty, transparency. That's who I am. So yeah. Okay. I'm trying always to be honest. I mean, trying. Yeah, I think I'm doing fine with being honest. But yeah, I mean, some say too much honesty is too much, but I don't give a damn, man. Like if the Panther is the worst I will fucking tell you. If it had like bug, I would say, yeah, it's a bug. We fucked up. And the thing I don't like that some leaders do, not everyone, is using hype to promote. This is like really, I don't like this. That's why when I started promoting Panther in AP, we all started really slow. It will not make profit every month. So all the hype leaders went away. You know, all the hype leaders went away. So the Panther now is not for them. My trading room is also not for them because, as you can see, you need to know something. You need to know how to place a trade. You need to learn and listen how to get like psychology on point. You need to do that. Even if I give you a trade, even if you do the stuffs like I do, you still need to understand that we will lose, we will win. It will be both, not just one, not just two, both. And we will have big wins, and we will have stuffs like this month. This month is like the worst month in the whole year. Like not even January was this low and this choppy. So yeah, this was like really unlucky. This could easily turn into win. Easily, not, yeah. Easily we could not even take this trade. So. That's the other thing. So yeah, any more questions not specifically related to AP? So for everyone here and that is on these calls, if they have some questions, you can ask them here. We are recording. If it's something more specific, I'm willing to put some time into you. So if you want to have, let's say, some advices, stuff like that, I'm willing to do that. I don't have a lot of time in a day, maybe like I'm working almost 12 hours per day. I have a company, I have a hedge fund to run, I have marketing department, I'm AP trading, and then is my girl and my family. Yeah, all those stuff. So after this 3 months, the hours stayed the same. Sanya, sorry. I think we will maybe left out a couple of days. Maybe we will left out Thursday and Friday, and we will add London. So we will have a combination. So maybe sometimes we will trade London, sometimes New York, but I think we will combine. So yeah. So after this 3 months, we will have more trades. We'll trade gold. We'll trade other pairs also. But for now, I picked the easiest one, so you can get better. So something like, yeah, like Miha, yeah, that's right. Mikey Mech. Mike, the Miha Mech, you mean the Miha Mech, yeah? For Mike. Yeah, something like that. Mech. Yeah, that's right. Miha is also good, great trader, especially for Croatian and Slovenian traders, which they can follow him on the red flag, green flag. So, yeah. He has great pointed market. He's mastering his basics, which is important for me. And I think you can learn a lot from him. And then if you combine, then you just need to pick what you like from me, from my strategy, from my session, and what you like from his strategy, his sessions, and combine that in your trading, and you will be a good trader. So yeah. Where is Belrim? Belrim, you here? Belrim is here. I'm still listening to that to do Kida. Amen. Seharu. Keharu. Okay. Ben. Yeah, Panther having tough week. Weekly, yeah. -2%. Minus this week, yeah, minus this week, okay. Still 3.5% plus. Okay. So this is 1% risk. 1% risk. This is Panther 3.0 that next weekend is coming up. Also have some problems. But as you can see, not really. So April is still better for Panther 2.0, but overall, we'll have here more more pairs, more trades, you know. Can't wait Wednesday to show you everything, so you can see that what we cooked for you. This is Pleunik, Dominic's account. We started from 500 euros. Yeah, doing fine. %17 this month. On 500 euros, of course, it's more risk. And then Panther from the start. So this is our main account. Same monthly turn, it's like 2.4. So we were like, when we were launching Panther, June, this was like our, we started here with Panther promotion for the AP. So with these 2 months, and then we started testing the version with the fixed, no, with the percentage risk. And then this was okay. And then when we launched, it was like shut down. But as you can see, after every negative month, we pulled up good. So, I mean, what did I do? See, I like this because it took us. So, what I don't like with some robots is that you can get from like, this is 0 to 10% drawdown in like 1 day. Yeah. But with us, you need, you need 3 months to get in this drawdown. So That's why I think the Panther is the safest. But yeah. But yeah. Also, a lot of updates. My team is working like really hard to provide you with the best product we can offer. I mean, it's not better than our hedge fund, but as the best, we cannot give it that, but as good as possible. So yeah, the news are coming in 5 minutes. Let's see where we will go. Sorry, had to sneeze. Yeah. I hope we get the win today. I will. For long, we didn't had like, I didn't had like 20 pips win. Man, where are those? I mean, come on, give me, give me 20 pips, man. So I am maybe a whole month. Yeah, in the beginning, the first week was okay, but later on, I don't know. Hey Sanya, do you know how much is tax on forex profit in Croatia? It's like what, 20% now, 14%? From 2008, 40% tax on profit. We still have zero, for those who don't know. No. This is all forum. This is for Slovenia, but we have zero. We have zero. Okay, this is like 2006. I need better data. But this is not capital. Okay. So what did it? So we just flipped daily, and now we're going back down. Okay. You too, huh? Almost. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I think we'll have trade. I think we'll trade this. If so, we have now movement before the news, and probably the news can do only two things, like keep it here, move it up or down. So I think it will move down. So let's go. Let's wait for 1 minute. Please don't be hasty now. Just wait for confirmation, and probably the trade will be a lot faster than we are used to it. So when I say go, go. Not right now, but later. Oh, 20%. Oh. Huh. Okay, I don't know. Sanya, I don't know. For 13 cat. So now we will determine, Nico, you stay here, if the gold will fly or die. Fly or die. So now you had cat info. Information. Let's go. Okay. Give me trade, give me win, then we can finish and go home. And then I'm done for this week. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Keep me right. Okay. Okay. So we definitely need a move now, or we will have to wait for this news. So maybe today will be even longer here. We'll see. But so far nothing. So yeah. Come on. Give me 2%, man. Oh, can't wait for new month. Nah. Tomorrow there is no stream. I'm in Belgrade and will have only my laptop with me, or maybe not even that. So no stream, sorry. No stream, man. What a losing day. 0.5% lost in this week alone. 70 trades. This is like really pain. And maybe okay, all good. Set a nice. Say damn nice. Yeah. Ja, mislim, ne vem, prejšnji trening je bil 21, ja, spet je bil negativ, 2% minusa. Drugi maj, ta je bil malo več, pa 30. Ja. And this is the back test I did on the previous week. I should gain 2%, but I lost 2. So yeah, it was shitty. So, but this was like if I take every trade and then I didn't like the win ratio, that's why I went back and found some improvement. Ja, pa li bom dal, na konci bom dal skupaj maj. Ker niso vsi tradi pač po pravilih, ne pa da improvam čim bolj. Ne rabiš stikati. Niso tako lepi, da bi stikal. Tudi jaz ga polomim, kdaj. Pa sploh, če tak teden, veš pa, da ga še malo živcira. Tako da ja. Cel mesec je tak. To pa sigurno. Vidiš, kam greš. Vidiš, kje je. So we are talking about, he's writing down his feelings about trades. Vidiš, kje je napaka, ne? Se pravi, da sploh vidiš, na koncu dneva moraš ti vedeti, ali je strategija zajebala, pač nisi mogel nič narediti, ali si ti zajebal, ali so te emocije zajebale, ne? Ker, ko ti enkrat tu ločiš, aha, jaz sem kriv za to, si zmagal, zato ker tam lahko največ narediš, ne? Točno to. Jaz sam svoj šef si, ne? Saj ni nobenega druga tukaj, sam ti si tisti, ko se moraš držati po pravilu, ne? So, Luka started to wrote down his emotions when he's trading, and he found out that it's working better for him. And then I said that you need to do that because you only have one boss, and it's in your mirror. So at Forex, your only boss is your mirror. Ja, to je shit. Pa bomo zdaj tradali, da bi nekaj jade. Ne vem, hitro napogem domov. Imam dosti tega. Jo, ta teden res kurat sej, fucking shit. Juni bo boljši. I believe so too. I believe the June will be better too. Because this month makes me nervous. This month is I'm not broke because of it. I have some great trades in London. I'm almost 100k up, but with this strategy on this account that I'm funded on, where I cannot go over this risk, I'm fucked. So yeah, what you can do, life is life. La 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 la, life is life. Want to love. Okay, so we are back in this range. And what I think is happening is like, so you get this triangle, you see that? And we will have on one point, probably this week, we'll have big outburst. And when we get out of this triangle, like when we get out of this basically shit, and we get back to this, then we will make like 20% per week. Then I'm something like that, you know. I want this back. Not this. This is like, but yeah, I mean, you need to trade what you got, right? And today we have -7 pips. Unfortunately, but yeah, you need to keep going. Keep going, keep pushing. Because if bad market stops you, then what else can stop you? But still, I'm still. So this one could be like really pretty win. Really pretty win. This one could fly. Could fill all this up. I made 10 pips. This we should get this at least. But yeah. Shamey. Shamey. Sheldon and Amy. So let's go on with another topic. Any recommendations for series? Ja. Čakaj, si fet, veš, pa evropska čakajo. Evropske novice v Brestu. So every pair right now, Lucas said that every pair right now is the same. And that's true because each of them are waiting for what's it like, rates on the, so like rates on the money, rates on the loans. And Euro said that it will do it in the summer, so this is like next week. And yeah, it will probably go up. No more negative rate. Okay. Sanya, thank you for coming. Have a great day. Hope to see you more. Inflacija letos tako 12%, ki tega se giblje. Pač ona, ne, čista. Kako je realna, je nekaj druga, ne. Aprila vem, da je bila ful velika, ne. Več kot 20 je realna 100%. Mislim, zdaj po moje je, no. Okay. Great moves for us, meaning that we were just unlucky before. We have here like space for 14 pips, so I think we could hit even 18. So one trade possible here, another trade is this one. I just want to close above here, above this week, so we can get a nice pushback, and the same here. So let's see, we have potentially 3 trades. Let's hope we take at least one. Okay, but 40 minutes to closure. Let's close above. Okay, still no closure above. No, ajde, te close gor, te mi denar nazaj. Gremo v plus, ja, dej nehi, no, če sem imel že ta teden break-even, zdaj imam spet minus, ne. Jesus. Mislim, sej prvi teden maja je bil super, ne, naravno zastop, ne, ampak overall je bilo še kar plus, ampak tako, malo je pain, ne. Uf. Ok, dobro, let's see, pa vidim. Verjetno pa je 4 urnega predstavil sem, pa mogoče sell kar dol. Tukaj je vmes. Ja, pa veš kaj, četrtki je zmeren tak volumen, kurci, ne. Pa največ, ne vem, četrt se mi zdi, da je največ teh stop lossov, najtežje mi je četrt trejati, zato bi ga rad scancel pa tudi iz klicev. Pa ne, vlade sam feeding, vlade sploh ni tako, ne, ampak tako. Ta je dober, gledaj. 48 pipov. Pa, ok. Ja, ne smeš se navaditi na porast, ne, moraš se navaditi na uspeh. Kje pa, tradeš ti zdaj na real ali na demo ti? Luka, tradeš na real ali na demo ti? A ja, pa na IC Marketi ali na LQD-ju? Aha, ok, cool. Se ti on račun predstavi pol na SC pravša? A ja, pa ga nismo na moj link naredil, ej. Ko mišno dol. Ja, sem ne na un, ko sem ti ga jaz poslal. Res, na on link, pa ni prijel, te ni dal. Zanimivo. Pogledal. Kaj spremenili. Okay. Did anyone from you here drive Formula before? Skok s pedalom. Ja, to je s tobom. Zakon, dej, kje je to? I wanna try this, I wanna try this sniper. Ah. Damn. Kaj pa tu? Kaj imaš? Kaj drago? 600 evrov. Kaj je to drago? Kurva. 50 kalibrčk. Ne mora biti lajs drag, stari. Da so izkušnje. Fucking shit. Pa M2 Browning. What the hell, sem tuk. Skok s pedalom, tu mora biti dobro. Sam jaz sem pretežki, kurva. True, ja. No missed, nice. Vidiš? Aha, moram doplačati. Mesto 2. Kaj pa je razlika? Ja, ne bo slika, ne? Snemanje in... Aha, ali. Moram je sliko snemo celo pot. Par slik narediš, ko jih je v tudi. 200 km na uro padel. Bi mogli biti stari, ne pa da moraš to plačevati zraven. Sam se tako ne moreš. To je tandem, ne? Je tandem. Ja, znači. Že zdaj. To moram Matej kupiti, zdaj, čakaj. Evo ga. To moram, I must buy this for my partner that helped me made Panther. So, Williamsa. Nissan, Deller. Renault, to je to dobro. Samo je tudi, aha, 2000. Zakaj pa ne? Ne, nisem bil. Gokart ja, večkrat, ampak Renault pa ne. Pilot za 1 euro. Ja, v Krškem, v Angliji smo bili parkrat, v Brestca, ne v Brestca, sorry, v Ljubljani tam sem bil, tako da kar tega. Nekaj sem vozil, no. Kaj ne mi všeč, tole mi ni všeč, ne. Nice people, ampak tole, če je lepo close-a. Ej, zamujaš, mislim, take stvari so veš kar adrenalinske in je prav fajn, res fajn. Pa niti škoda denarja, ker imaš neko izkušnjo, pa vsaj meni ni bilo, no, nikdar. Moraš živeti life, če ne bo live show. Okay. 20 seconds? Okay, maybe we can get a nice sell for like 20 pips here, maybe even more, like 50 pips. That would be amazing. I love this, and I can make what 3.6% with one trade. Let's see. Let's see. That'd be amazing if this happens. If not, it's okay. But I really wish it to happen. Summer of love. Okay, so gold. Put one more to sell. So yeah, maybe we can get a sell. Beautiful. Dobar sem to najdel. Lej no, 300 evrov sem na pilot. To mi ni všeč. Chopper. Yes. Robinson bil Eurocopter, ja. Ne, tam avion peleš. Kaj ti da je helikopter? 5 minut. Podaljšanje. 30 minut. Ja, pa da je podaljšanje za 5. Ja, Niko, merito pa res, ja. Zaenkrat izgleda dobro, no? Zaenkrat izgleda dobro. Tega še jaz stvarko zelo noter k sebi, da vidim, kaj bo. Se jaz tudi, sem tle bom probal tega retracementa videti. Pač ta na Wiki, ne? Slovenci imajo prioriteto zdaj, veš. Zdaj me bojo poklicali nacionalist. Pa bo, ne? Dobre, stop loss. 1,844, 7,8. Ajde, da vidimo. Kje je moj denar? Daj mi denar, daj mi ful. Daj denar, tega ful, daj denar, tega ful. To je dobro. To pa ni dobro. To je pa zdaj dobro. Že videl. Jaz sem ga tukaj noter počel. Da bomo videli, kaj bo rato z tega. Še malo višji, čakaj. Jaz imam 1,84,12. Zdaj bomo videli, če me ne ufukne ven. Ultimamente este. Stop loss monthly agora. Če me fukne. To je pojka, to je 7 pipo, 7 evri riska. Ja, stop loss hit. Škaj. Ne veš kaj, ja. Zato ga nisem klical, ne? Ker gold je kurba in bo narod zgubil denara. Okay, let's wait for next closure. And let's see. Za Jure 200 vsi letimo. Pa lesce, no viš. Chatham, oh my god. Če sem pa želel, to sem pa že iskal velikrat. Prisajo, da obstaja. Albatros. Hunter, to je staro, ni? Ja, to je to. Dobro, okej. Mik 16. Nisem vedel, da je tega tuk storil. Ha, čakaj, ta je bil Rus. Ruski, dej. Zdaj tu je zihran cenej za Rusi. Super, dobro sem to najdel. Let's make some money, da grem se z jetom pelat. Pa najemnino bi rad, ne najemnino. Stanovaje bi rad kupil, kurva, pa noče bi dati, ne? Noče bi dati več. Obo. Prevoski. The money, bitch. Give me money. Oh, Goldie. Fuck, keep it, let's stop. Each. Three minutes. Question. Luca overtake. Luca goes to eat. Only Velo and me with me. All good. So right now, I'm just waiting for this to close here. And I want to see nice sell here. This could be like, what, 20 pips. So that's my goal now. So we didn't close below, but market is giving us great sign that it may happen. So we're gonna extend this zoom a couple more minutes. So now the 4 hour had a good week up. Now we could get all this big move. So that's what we are waiting for. So still no moving. I'm just aware of it. So yeah, hoping to get something good here. We'll see. Oh yeah, so probably will not happen. Anything will happen before the news. This looks good, but okay, I guess I will not call it until it happens. Okay, guys, you can get. It seems like we're gonna have a trade. I hope this is it.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.